Welcome to Mass Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Today we're going to play a cool blues scale progression in A, and we're going to cover all 5 positions, and I'm going to play it in a pattern that you can transpose into all 5 positions, and it will give you the opportunity to really practice the blues scales over the 5 positions with a backing track in only A. So you know it's going to be a little bit more fun than just running through your blues scale lessons every day up and down, because there's a little bit of a pattern there that you can follow. And feel free to incorporate a bit of vibrato or whatever other techniques you feel like putting in if you have those abilities. Check out my other blues scales lessons. Some are for beginners, right up here. There's a link, okay? And the backing track for this lesson is in my description for you to download. So let's go check it out. Okay, so let's look at the pattern. So basically the blues scale is basically the minor pentatonic scale with a note added. In the first octave, it's this note here. Okay, it's a D sharp here on the 6th fret A string. Okay, and in the second octave, in this 5th fret box, we go. So we add this note, which is basically an octave, right? There is the other D sharp right there. And we use this again in the next pattern, and I'm going to use this again in the next pattern as well. Okay? So blues scale adds 1 note to the minor pentatonic scale. So the pattern goes. Now I'm going to slow it down, and you'll see all the frets appear, so you can play it along slowly. The second pattern starts at C. So here in the second pattern, we pick this blues note here. We pick that one here. Right here again, we picked that before. Okay. The third pattern starts at D, right here. Now in the third pattern, the blues note is the second note we're playing. There's this D, then there's the D sharp, so you have to play that. There's the second D sharp. note here, and right there. The fourth pattern starts at E. So the blues note is here. We already used that in pattern 3. And we're going to use it again right here. That's the octave of the D sharp. Okay, so let's play this here. And then the fifth pattern, I'm going to use the D sharp right here. So here's the other D sharp. And then we can play the first pattern again here on the 17th fret, right? Which is basically the same as up here on the 5th, right? So it repeats itself. We're running out of frets here, but we can play some of those positions up here again. Obviously, before the 1st comes the 5th, right? So remember. I hope this will make your scale exercises a little bit more fun and interesting. And as you play to those 5 positions, you know, your finger dexterity will improve, and obviously you'll be able to pick out some licks in each one of those positions. Please check out Master Guitar Frets. I have lots of cool lessons for you for beginners and advanced players, so please have a look and check it out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care.